Arkal Spin Clean Disc Filters are modular, automatic, self-cleaning polymeric filters for virtually unlimited flow rates. With their unique grooved discs, depth filtration, and innovative cleaning mechanism, Spin Clean filters cover a wide range of industrial, municipal, and agricultural applications with filtration degrees from 400 to 20 micron. The Spin Clean filters are highly suitable for corrosive water applications due to their polymeric construction. Spin Clean system comprises of an inlet and outlet manifolds, a given number of filter modules, 3-way valves, a drain manifold, and a backwash controller. Each filter module consists of filter housing with a central spine, on which the Spin Clean discs are stacked. These thin, color-coded groove discs are diagonally grooved on both sides in opposite directions. A series of discs are stacked and compressed on a specially designed spine, creating a matrix of consecutive crossing points which form multiple particle traps. During filtration, the force of the spring and the differential pressure firmly compresses the discs together. Water permeates from the outer diameter to the inner diameter of the filter element, and suspended solids are trapped on and within the disc's matrix. Filtered water flows through the filter outlet port. The gradual buildup of particles on the discs causes a pressure differential to develop across the system. At a preset level, indicated by the red zone, a signal from the PD switch starts the self-cleaning cycle. An electric command switches the first valve, allowing filtered water to flow in reverse direction through the module. The pressure is released and the cylinder rises, releasing the compression on the discs. High-pressure tangential jets of water are forced through the nozzles, positioned along the spine, causing the discs to spin freely. The trapped solids are dislodged and flushed out the drain. During the approximately 20 seconds of the first module's self-cleaning process, the other modules continue to supply filtered water downstream. At the end of its allotted cleaning time, the flushing module returns to filtration mode, and the next consecutive module starts cleaning. This process continues till the last module is clean, and the PD switch returns to its green zone. The system returns to filtration mode until the next flushing cycle is triggered. Spin Clean solution is successfully implemented in a wide range of applications worldwide. Protection of drip irrigation systems, industrial cooling tower and process water, city water purification, wastewater reclamation, and pre-membrane filtration for seawater desalination. The efficient and versatile Spin Clean systems provide an excellent solution to any industrial, agricultural, or municipal filtration application.